Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by choosing where to work and how to move quickly. Use arrow keys for precise moves and control, plus arrow to jump to data edges. This saves time versus clicking. Once you have a target cell, hold Shift with arrows to select contiguous cells, or press Tab and Enter to move through fields. Make sure to practice moving with these keys so your hands stay on the keyboard, and you prepare for editing, formatting, and entering formulas without reaching for the mouse. You now edit and populate cells efficiently. Press F2 to edit the active cell inline so you can adjust text or formula precisely. S cancels changes while Enter confirms. When entering the same value across a range, select multiple cells and press Ctrl plus Enter to fill them simultaneously. Use Ctrl plus D and Ctrl plus R to copy formulas down or right in a column or row. For quick entries, use Ctrl plus. For today's date and type equals to start formulas, this keeps data consistent and fast. You finish by making the sheet readable and fixing problems. Use Ctrl plus 1 to open format cells and adjust number, alignment, or borders. Ctrl plus B/I/U toggle text styles instantly. If a mistake happens, Ctrl plus Z undoes it and Ctrl plus Y redoes. Alt plus Enter inserts a line break within a cell for multi-line text. If a formula looks wrong, press F9 to evaluate parts or press ESC and reselect the cell to restart. Keep these fixes handy so small errors don't halt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.